What is the difference between spiritism and spirituality? There's a very big difference. People who are on the path and they develop some kind of sensitivity, they dabble with the spiritual world, they think so, but actually they are getting into the spiritism. There are people who do seances, the mediumship, calling the spirits, chatting with them, channeling of different kinds. All those people are basically into spiritism. That's not true spirituality. In fact, people who get into the spiritism, they get stuck with the spiritism. There's a fundamental difficulty there. Because once you get into the lower worlds, the lower world people want to keep in touch with you and you are trapped. And after death, all these people, they also get into the lower worlds. So spiritism, in a way, is a trap one should avoid. True spirituality is walking the path of enlightenment, walking the path of liberation. As in Kashmir Shaivism we say, from Atma Vyapti to Shiv Vyapti. That's the ultimate thing that is possible. On the way to enlightenment, if your awareness grows and also the sensitivity grows, as a byproduct of all that, you can explore the subtle worlds, but it's a passing phase. There is no need to get stuck with that. One just passes through it, understands and transcends for the liberation, not getting stuck with the spiritism. Getting stuck with the spiritism is a very dangerous thing. You will never evolve spiritually. You will be always dabbling with the lower spirit worlds, etheric world, where the earthbound souls are there, or maybe little higher astral world, which is basically a lower astral. So, nothing more than that. The real spirituality is all about growing in awareness. As your awareness grows, you understand these petty little things of spiritism also, but your aim is much larger. You want to be one with the Brahman. You want to realize your true self. You are walking the path of self-realization, walking the path of enlightenment and liberation. But that's far more different. It's much more purer, and it will take you far beyond. Compared to the joy of enlightenment, spiritism is just nothing. It's a petty little thing. So I will recommend all our friends here not to get into the spiritism at all. You will get stuck there. Better walk the path in purity. Keep your pointer towards the north. Let liberation be the only aim, nothing else. Otherwise, going here and there into this violence is a big trap and you will be wasting your times. So it's always better that you walk the path of pure spirituality, take liberation as your aim, don't get into the violence of spiritism, and that is the way you will realize your true self.